listen and read. The activity day.
Okay, what shall we do first? I want to play chess and paint. I want to go climbing too. I'd rather go windsurfing, but I can go climbing too. Okay, let's go climbing first. Good idea. This is hard work.
You can climb very well, Lois. But why are you breathing loudly and quickly?
Well, when I exercise, my heart goes faster. I need more air, so I breathe more loudly and more quickly.
I can exercise too. I can fly. I can breathe loudly too. What's that?
Oh no, it's a baby bird. It can't get back to its nest.
What's a nest?
It's a house for birds. In the tree. Ash, can you see a nest up there? Look, here's the nest. Bo, can you bring the baby bird up to the nest?
Hey! Here you are, little bird.
A few minutes later.
What's this? Is this a house for birds too?